Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your walk and idle pose in the new Dress to Impress updates. So, as you know, the new DTI update added custom walk and idle poses, and the position of the menu has been changed. Usually you can change the walk or idle pose in this menus right here, but now if you want to change your walking pose and also idle pose, you can just go to the dressing room here, and here you can just click on this button with a walk icon, and you can just choose the walk packs and also the idle pose that you want to use. Just click on equip to use one or unequip to change to the others. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.